In front of me is Motorola Moto E14, and today I would like to show you how you can turn on and use voice typing. All you need to do is launch your keypad and tap on microphone icon at the top right corner. If you don't have it, select this gear instead. Tap on voice typing and use this switcher to enable it. Then go back and click on No Visible Microphone. Tap on it. Choose while using the app in the pop-up and start typing. As you can see, voice typing is on. If you want to stop, tap on the same microphone again. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!